Welcome to the Southwest Virginia Alliance for Manufacturing's Made in Southwest Virginia podcast, where we aim to educate listeners on the many impacts of manufacturing in Southwest Virginia. Today's episode is part of our ongoing series in which we deep dive into specific companies making worldwide impacts. We often hear there's nothing happening in Southwest Virginia. I've even felt that myself, but as I learned more about Southwest Virginia's manufacturers, I realized that couldn't be further from the truth. Contrary to some perceptions, Southwest Virginia is a hub of innovation and manufacturing, producing world-class products integral to people and companies around the globe. From automotive components to advanced electrical systems, our local manufacturers are driving technological advancements and economic growth on an international scale. Our focus today is on PBE Axell, formerly known as Pyatt Boone Electronics, based in Tazewell, Virginia. This company specializes in providing advanced safety, communication, and power solutions for various industries worldwide. Let's dive into their operations and contributions. Founded in 1971, PBE Axell has evolved from a local supplier of mining communication systems to a global manufacturer and systems integrator. With a presence in over 30 countries and sales offices in 12, the company serves industries such as mining, tunneling, construction, and public safety. Their product offerings include collision avoidance systems, train safety communications, personnel tagging and tracking, distributed antenna systems, LTE solutions, leaky feeder systems, wireless networks, and temporary power solutions. For the everyday consumer, this means that the safety and efficiency of various industrial operations are greatly enhanced by the technologies developed right here in Southwest Virginia. At their facility located in North Tazewell, PBE Axell emphasizes innovation and quality. PBE Axell's impact extends far beyond manufacturing. Their commitment to innovation and high standards helps shape the future of safety and communications technology globally. By focusing on sustainable practices and technological advancements, PBE Axell is driving progress in how industries operate, aiming to reduce environmental impact and improve operational efficiency. If you'd like to learn more about PBE Axell and their contributions to various industries, visit their website at pbeaxell.com or check the show notes. That's it for today's episode of Made in Southwest Virginia. Join us next time as we continue to highlight the innovative spirit of Southwest Virginia's manufacturing sector. Until then,